Hey friends! Today we are talking about the benefits of glycolic acid. Let's find out why this little molecule is making such a big splash in skincare. So, what exactly is glycolic acid? It's a natural alpha hydroxy acid, or AHA, derived from sugarcane. Sounds fancy, right? But it's actually pretty simple and super effective. Glycolic acid works wonders by gently exfoliating your skin. It helps to remove dead skin cells, revealing fresh, glowing skin underneath. Goodbye dullness, hello radiance. Now let's talk benefits. Reduced fine lines and wrinkles? Check. Smoother, more even skin tone? You bet. And it even helps with acne and clogged pores. Basically, it's a skincare superhero. You can find glycolic acid in serums and creams. For beginners, start with a lower concentration, like a 5% glycolic serum. Apply it at night after cleansing, but before moisturizing. Feeling more adventurous? Try a glycolic acid cream for a bit more hydration. A quick tip, always use sunscreen during the day when you're using glycolic acid. Your skin will be more sensitive to the sun, and we want to keep that glow safe. So there you have it, glycolic acid. Simple, effective, and a total game changer for your skincare routine. Visit greatermood.com for more skincare and wellness tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy glowing!